भक्ति प्रमोदखो पुरीं प्रणम्यो भक्ति प्रमोदखो पुरीं उपास्यो भक्ति प्रमोदं लभते जन वै। गौर कृष्ण नामदातं कीर्तनानन्दवर्धनं बहिर्मुखो जीवत्रातां वन्दे सरस्वती प्रभुं। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. All glories, all glories, all glories. Krishnamurti sent but I cannot understand the language. The Krishna avec notre crops. Itla deluxe question is notre cup spiritual vendetta notre service. I don't know that language. I don't know which language. Maybe it's French. They sent. I don't know. One question by Adi Sekhara. One is Krishna was the father. When Krishna went to Mathura to kill Kamsa, did Nanda Maharaj and Mother Jashoda also go? Went. Achha. Actually, as I know, Nanda Maharaj went there, but Jashoda Devi was not physically there. So, anyway, first question by Mahalakshmi Devi, I don't know. What is question? I don't know the language. Evig notre crops. It la dex me question on est notre crops. Spiritual pendant notre service. I don't know anything, Baba. Please excuse me for that. And there is no more question. Oh, he typed it. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Okay. Oh, again it deleted. Again it deleted the question. What to do? I don't know the language. Their language, what to do? Anyway, if Krishnamurti translate by tomorrow, then tomorrow class I will discuss about it. Hare Krishna. Yeah. This message was deleted. I don't know why, but they deleted. Anyway. आज कितना temperature? What temperature today? It's too much, huh? Burning, all the burning here. Looks like someone cut and put some salt inside. Such burning sensation whole body. Especially this arm pad. So anyway, I forget what until when. Okay. Shivash Pandita. $45.
No, the temperature is 35, but the feel is 45.
45. Humid so much, this is the problem. Srivastava Narod. अच्छा अच्छा I think we read yesterday this much. प्रभु कहे शिवास्तमाना नारद सभा ऐश्वर्य भावे তোমাতে ঈশ্বর প্রভাব is definition yesterday. ইহ দামোদর স্বরূপ শুদ্ধ ব্রজবাসী ঐশ্বর্য না জানে ইহ শুদ্ধ প্রেমে ভাসি. That yesterday I explained, right? Sarup Damodar Shuddha Brajavasi means Sarup Damodar actually Lalita Sakhi. Lalita Sakhi is the leader of all Sakhis. Because we have to follow the Sakhi's footsteps. Otherwise we are not able to get Radharani services. We are not able to be servant of Radharani. Our main goal to be servant of Radharani. Then Krishna will accept our service. Our Acharya says that Dhamer Saru Spurive Noyane Hoivo Borojo Hoivo Radhara Dashi. Dhamer Saru means actual form of holy Dham is Srimati Radharani's. Without Radharani's mercy, we are not able to stay here in Holy Dham in Vrindavan. Therefore, we have to be servant of Srimati Radharani. Actually, there is explanation. Gauro Brojo Bone Vedna Hiribo Huiva Borojo Vashi Dhamer Sharup Shurive Noyone Huivo Radharo Dashi. If you really want to be servant of Srimati Radharani, we should not discriminate between Gaur Dham means Navadvip Dham and Vrindavan Dham. Then we are eligible to be proper Vrindavan residents, Brajavasi. And Brajavasi means they know what is actual form of Holy Dham, Shri Radharani. So Radharani, although the Radharani plays a potency, the Krishna become extremely happy to be in Vrindavan. Anyway, so Dhamer Saru Surive Noyana Hoivo Radhara Dashi, actual form of Holy Dham. If we really realize, then we have to be servant of Srimati Radharani. And Radharani's closest associate is Lalita Sakhi. Lalita Sakhi appear here in the form of Sarup Damodar. Therefore Mahaprabhu says, Iyo Damodar Sarup Shuddha Brajavasi Oishwarja na jana iha Shuddha preme bhashi. Sarup Damodar doesn't know what is the opulence. Sarup Damodar, Lalita Sakhi only know pure love. Pure love. The love is only way to reach divine couple. And then to reach the love, we need to chant Harinam. What is taught by, we taught actually Lord Chaitanya himself. Lord Chaitanya is Krishna, but in the form or mood of Srimati Radharani. So he taught us. By example, he teach. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Actually, he explained that Hare Nama, Iva Kevalam, Kalau Nasti, Vanasti, Vagatiranatha. There is no other way, there is no other way. So, therefore, this Mahaprabhu explained to Sivas about Sarup Damodar and discriminate between opulence and love, pure love. Opulence is temporary happiness. But pure love is eternal happiness. Love, nirmal bhashya. The Shastra says, prem nirmal bhashya. Kam anthatama. Prem nirmal bhashya means no doubt is taking place in prem. So, this is the way to reach the divine abode, to establish love. And love, if you want to attain, then chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra under the shelter of pure devotee. Why pure devotee? Always following the footsteps of Sakhis, like Lalita Sakhi. Without Sakhis following footsteps of our Sakhis, we are not eligible to reach Radha. Our service is not eligible to reach Radha. So, our entire parampara teaching us like this. Sharup kaya Shiva Shunna Shavadhane Vrindavana Sampad Tomar Nahi Pade Mone. Sarup Damodar says, Srivas, listen carefully what I am going to say. Vrindavana Sampad, that real wealth of Vrindavan, you are not able to Nahi Pade, you are not able to remember. You are not remembering that. So then what happened? Vrindavana Sahojig Je Sampad Sindhu Daroga Vaikunta Sampad Taraga Bindu. Means Vrindavan. In Vrindavan, what is easiest manner you can get? What is most easiest manner to get? Very most valuable things. This is Lord's services. Therefore, Lakshmi Devi, she was rolling on the ground and lamenting with such expression, when I am able to get deservedness of gopis. How gopis, they are serving Lord physically. Devi Lakshmi Shuti Gana Dharani Lota. Dharani Lota means rolling on the ground. Who? Devi Lakshmi. Why? Because they are lamenting. Why? Because they are thinking, when I will get that deservedness, what gopis have that? What gopis have? Gopis are serving divine couple, who is closely staying with them, where no more distress, no more anxiety, nothing is there. Actually, anxiety, distress, complexity taking place where how much our mind is involved with material opulence. Because material opulence, material nature always changing. Today you have, tomorrow that come to me. Today I have, tomorrow goes to you. It will goes to you. Day after tomorrow it will go to another person. Therefore, if you keep attachment with opulence, material opulence, how much we have attachment, that much we will feel distressed. But Vrindavan, only attachment with Radha Krishna. Their opulence is love. And that love is a one drop of Dwaraka and Vaikuntha's wealth. Whatever we think Dwaraka, Vaikuntha is huge opulence. This Vrindavan opulence in front of them, in front of Vrindavan opulence, they are opulence like one drop of a huge ocean. Krishner Vrindavan Dham Jog Varnan Param Purushottama Swayam Bhagavan Krishna Jaha Dhanita Vrindavan Dham Param Purushottam Purusha Uttama means most Uttam and topmost. No one can equal which above all. That male form is called Purushottama, who is the Swayam Bhagavan. Which Bhagavan means all the incarnation coming from whose? That is called Swayam Bhagavan. All the incarnation means what? Means different parts of particular, the Kala incarnation, Guna, Sattva Guna, like Krishna appear in the form of mode of passion. This is Brahma. Brahma is Krishna's mode of passion incarnation. Shiva is Krishna's mode of ignorance incarnation. Vishnu is Krishna's mode of goodness incarnation. Sattva, Rajata, Triguna. So all the incarnation, Anshavatar, Matsavatar, Kalavatar, Gunavatar, that's like Matsavatar, then Matsya, Kurma. Kurma means tortured incarnation. We know that Matsavatar, he came to bestow his blessings. Lord wants to bestow his blessings. Sattavata Raja, King Sattavata. And Kurmavatar, charming on the ocean, helping. Varahavatar, he came to kill Hiranyakha. Nishimhavatar, he want to save Prahlad. In such a way, all the incarnation, Anshavatar, who is the source of all, is called Swayam Bhagavan. Who is the source of all? Brahma explained that. Ramadi Murtirishu Kala Niyamena Tishtan Nana Bhataram Karado Bhubaneshu Kintu Krishna Swayam Samabhavat Parom Apumanajo Govindamadi Purusham Tamam Bhajami. Ramadi means all the Hansavatar, means 10 incarnation. Kalavatar, Saktaveshavatar, Gunavatar, Purushavatar, all the incarnation coming from her. Who is this? Krishna Swayam Samabhavat Param Apumanada. From Krishna. Therefore Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan. Therefore Param Purushottam Shanam Bhagavan Krishna Jaha Dhoni Taha Vrindavan Dham Krishna Jaha Dhoni, and only Krishna. Radharani is focused to serve Krishna. All gopis are focused to follow Radha and Krishna. Everybody. And Krishna means which is all attractive, and not only that attractive, which also attract all of us to make ourselves eternally blissful. That is the purpose. So how much we are close to Krishna, that much we will be always blissful. Therefore, Vrindavan Dham, there is no any material energy there, only loving energy there. Therefore, that place, Brahma explained, people are walking like a dancing pose, speaking like a singing pose, singing form, singing. We are dancing and singing, definitely we have to know that that is the blissful place, eternally blissful place. Therefore, intellectually, if we practice spirituality, then our goal should attain Vrindavan, not any other place. Anyway, although there is explanation, Krishna explained, Janti Devaprota Divam Pritrijanti Pitriprataha. Means if you worship Devi, God and goddesses, you will go to Devi Dham. If you worship Pitrilok, ancestor, if you go to Pitrilok, like Bhuva stage, Bhu, you are here, Bhuva, ancestral lok. So anyway, so that is your choice, where you want to go. You want to be eternally blissful, then you have to go to Vrindavan. And in Kali Yuga, in order to take all of us to Vrindavan, holy name appear from Golok Vrindavan to us. What holy name? Golokero Premadhono Harinamo Sankirtano. Golokero Premadhono, divine loving wealth of Goloka appear here with us in the form of Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. Therefore we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So anyway, so Krishna Jaha Dhani Taha Vrindavan Dham. Wherever Krishna, that is Vrindavan. Therefore, devotees' heart also, devotees, pure devotees, wherever they stay, our Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, that place also considered to be Vrindavan. Why? Because in the heart of, Narottam Thakur says, in the heart of pure devotee, Krishna is resting forever. Tumara Hridaya Shada Govinda Vishram. Govinda Kahena Mama Vaishnava Paran. Also Govinda says, Vaishnava, Govinda means Krishna says, Vaishnava is my heart and soul, life and soul. So therefore Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Yathaya Vaishnavagan Saisthan Vrindavan. Where Vaishnava means pure devotee, where Vaishnavas are living, that place considered to be Vrindavan also. You know this Kalyan Kalpaturu, that books, if you read, then you can see that writings of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He says, Je tirthe Vaishnava nahi, se tirthe nahi jai, ki labh hatiya durodesh. Where no Vaishnava was living, that pilgrimage we don't want to visit. Se tirthe nahi jai. Kila, what is the benefit? Hatia, walking. Durodes, far. To walk far away. What is the benefit to walk? That is explained by our previous teacher, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Chintamani maya bhumi ratnera bhavan Chintamani ganadasi charana bhushan. Now this explained Vrindavanam. Chintamani maya bhumi, Chintamani maya means all over. You can see Chintamani, thoughtful feeling diamond or stone. Bhumi also like that. Therefore, if you look the explanation of our previous teacher, they say that Kalpa Vriksha Mayavan, all over, the forest of wish fulfilling tree. This is Vrindavan. But nowadays you can see actually concrete forest instead of Kalpa Vriksha, wish fulfilling tree. A Kali Yuga, everything upside down. But you should not think that it is only concrete jungle. If you look with your devotional eyes, then you can see that charismatic, the charisma of Supreme Lord and Supreme Lord's abode. Even here. Chintamani maya bhumi ratnera bhavan, all the home or the house made with ratna means diamond. Can you imagine? Ratnera bhavan Chintamani gan dasi charana bhushan. Chintamani gan. Who is this? Dasi. Who is Dasi? Gopis. Dasi Charan Jo. Dasi Charan means lotus feet of Dasi. Feet of Dasi. Therefore, Narottam Thakur explained in one of his song, Parthana Pimdhati Chandrika, he explained, Sri Guru Charana Padmo Kevala Bhakti Sadma. Kevala means only. Bhakti Sadma means house, devotional home. Where is Sri Guru Charana Padma? Who is Sri Radharani? Here Radharani is our Guru. Therefore, you can see Bhaktivinoda Thakur, actually Narottam Thakur explained one place in this song that Vedegaya Jaharo Chorit Abhidya Vinasa Jate. Then another line. No. The Chakshudano Dila Jai Janme Janme Prabhu Se Diva Jnana Dite Prakashito Prema Bhakti Jaha Hote Abhidya Vinasho Jate Vedegaya Jaharo Charito. So Prema Bhakti Jaha Hote. From where Prema Bhakti coming? From where? Radharani's feet. And Veda explained Radharani's life history, Radharani's glories. Never ever explain your master, your divine master glories, spiritual master glories. Right? Vedegaya Jahar. Therefore we have to accept Radharani is spiritual master, or a source of everybody's spiritual master, a root of all spiritual master. Radharani is actually Acharya, you can say. Actual Acharya. So anyway, Chintamani Gana Dasi Charana Bhushan. Dasi Charana Bhushan, Chintamani. When all the gopis Charana Bhushan, this ornament of their lotus feet is Chintamani. Whatever they are thinking, it will appear. It is appearing. not to bring someone to construct that building. Just think about it. Appear. Chintamani, thoughtful filling stone. We want to get the mercy of, we want to follow the footsteps of Radharani's servant, gopis. But this is actually most important goal. Otherwise, we are not able to attain our destiny. Our actual destiny, not to go to any opulence place. Our actual goal to reach loving abode, the Vrindavan Dham, Golok Vrindavan Dham. But in this place, again I am telling you, in this abode, if you want to reach, Narottam Thakur says, we have to be completely free from all sense enjoyment object. That is explained by Narottam Thakur in one of his song, that Vishaya Chadiya Kabe Shuddha Habe Mo. When I will be free from all sense enjoyment object, then my mind could be pure. Pure. And with pure mind, we are able to go, you are able to reach Vrindavan. So make your mind pure and reach Vrindavan Dham. Then it says, here also says, Kalpa Vriksha Latar Jaha Saho Jigbon Pushpa Phala Bina Keho Navage Onnadhan. In this Vrindavan, there is no any other expectation. Vrindavan fully Kalpa Vriksha. This is what I explained before. They all say Kalpa Vriksha Latar. Lata means creeper, Kalpa Vriksha means who is fulfilling creeper. All over. Jaha Sahajik Bone. Easiest manner you can see such type of forest where? In Vrindavan. And Pushpa Phal Bina, Pushpa, flower, fall, fruits. Without that, Kiva Namage Onnadha. No one begging anything. Therefore, I can tell you this, again, maybe everybody knows, but when I was 1983, I just passed my higher secondary education. My grandfather says, better for you to do business. Well, then he explained that Mathura and surrounding area, there is mustard seed field. So much mustard seed. To bring the mustard seed to Bengal, it's too much cost. Better to cross over there and bring oil here. And here, sesame seed, also this field here in Bengal. So we can make here sesame oil, Bengal, tanker go there, supply there. The same tanker coming back with mustard oil in that way. A good business plan. In this regard, he purchased that Gopinath Ghera building, to stay. 1983 purchase. Then he purchased also land in Mathura. Everything fixed up. Just I will go to Vrindavan. Before going, he sent me to my Gurudev place. Just get his blessings. Although I am not initiated, but I fixed my mind that I have to take initiation from him. From 1978, I fixed my mind. But he doesn't want to give me initiation because he is not feeling he is qualified. He has no temple, only he is staying with his godfather temple. He has no own temple. He is poor, Brahmin, Sannyasi, that's so much, so and so. He is just ignoring in that way to me. Then anyway, as soon as I reached, it was afternoon time, 4 o'clock. And then I just explained this. My grandfather says, go to Mathura. He already purchased one home in Vrindavan, Gopinath Kheda. That is the plan. I explained the all plan. Then he just replied like this: business, Vrindavan Dham. No. Now I understand why. So, Pushpa phal bina keho namange onnodhon. Pushpa to serve Krishna, Radha Krishna. Fruits to serve Radha Krishna. No any other business should take place in Vrindavan now. No any other business will take place in Vrindavan. So nowadays we can see so many society, they are making big business, and they may feel puffed up that I do that seva. One sense they are doing seva. So many devotees coming, they are arranging the accommodation. This is true. Another sense, if you look, who is eligible to come to Vrindavan? Only that person eligible to come to Vrindavan who has no desire to get bodily happiness, physical happiness. Deho sukho chadi. Deho means body, sukh means happiness, chadi means living. Living all the bodily happiness, physical, whatever. So many people are talking about Maharaj, your room has AC, why are you using? I said, okay, but I am in Vrindavan. I can use it if someone unable to stay. Then I can stay with them. But for me, I feel awkward. Anyway, this is not our topics. What I am following, topics is what Chaitanya Charitamrita instructing us. So Vrindavan, Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Kalpa Vriksha Latara Jaha Shaho Jigbon. Everywhere Kalpa Vriksha who is fulfilling in Kripa. Pushpa phal bina keho namage annodhan. Pushpa, flower. Before my spiritual master used to say, bank of Jamuna was full of rose garden. Nice rose fragrance used to come. Now, bank of Jamuna, I don't know. When I went there and I saw all the dirt is dumping over there. It's very difficult to realize such pain. On such thing, I will digest such pain. Very difficult to digest such pain, to see the bank of Jamuna is full of dirt, all the garbage, even this entire Vrindavan cities, sewage water goes to Jamuna river. Jamuna river actually crystal clean, blue water. But Jamuna become dirty, all the bugs, all the insect inside, no cold. So it's really because of us. Because so many our material desire taking place in Vrindavan Dham, and gradually Vrindavan Dham move from this real form. Like Pushpa phal is not there, only concrete jungle there. So but chant Harinam, the real Vrindavan appear in your reason, in this place also. Ananta Kamdhenu taha phire bone bone, Ananta Kamdhenu. Ananta means uncountable, Kamdhenu means heavenly cow, whose milk has fragrance of lotus fragrance, Kamdhenu, and whatever you want, they are able to give you. If you want 100-liter milk, nowadays I heard from Vrindavan Leela Devi that milk means there is easy liquid and some oil. If you mix and blend it, then it becomes appear milk. Easy liquid. Easy means one dishwashing liquid and add some oil, vegetable oil, and blend it. That is milk here. But real Vrindavan, Kamdhenu milk. Kamdhenu. Heavenly cow. How much quantity milk you want, they are giving. And this is just liquid gold milk. And fragrance, the lotus fragrance. Taste like a nectar. Such type of, how many Kamdhenu? Ananta Kamdhenu. If you say, Ananta means uncountable. Millions and millions and millions Kamdhenu. Taha fire bone bone, one forest another forest. The Krishna used to bring all the cows. Vrishabhanu Maharaj, he has also Kamdhenu, he has also cows. How many? 12,000. Nanda Maharaj, 1200,000. Nanda Maharaj, 900,000. Navalakshadhanu. That is their wealth. Nowadays, Vrindavan, land mafia, revolver, all the unexpected things are going on here in Vrindavan. But I hope soon Radharani will arrange proper atmosphere here in Vrindavan. Everybody can realize the actual form of Vrindavan. Ananta Kamdhenu jaha fire bone bone, dugdha matra dan keho namage onno dhane. Dugdha matra dan. Dugdha means milk, giving only milk. You can see the history. History says, like Radharani's in-law house, Tatila Kutila. Abhimanyu means iron horse. He used to sell milk in Mathura. Nanda Maharaj also giving tax to Mathura. Everybody. Milk. And nowadays, Kali Yuga, milk disappeared. Fake milk appeared. People's brain become dumb. They are always thinking apparent benefit. They are not thinking about the soul benefit, Atma's benefit. It's foolish. They are chopping with cows, which cow Lord worships. That cow, not all government, most of the government in the world, they are thinking cow flesh is their food. So what do we expect? What do we expect from the human being? Only violence. They are speaking about love, but they are thinking only violence. That is the nature of Kali Yuga. They may say something, but they are doing another thing. This is called Kali Yuga, hypocrisy. Hypocrisy means like that. We may say one thing, we will do another thing. That is hypocrite. Therefore, dugdha matra dan keho namage onno dhane. That time Vrindavan only have milk is the wealth, and other people have no any other desire, any material expectation. সহজ লোকেরা কথা, সহজ লোকের কথা যাহা দিব্য গীত, সহজ গমন করে জয়ছে নিত্য প্রতীত। So what people are talking, just conversation, simple conversation. It was singing, Geet. Geet means singing form. Dibbo Geet, transcendental singing. That is the song. There is way of talking like a transcendental sing and way of moving like a transcendental dance. That is Vrindavan atmosphere. Sarvatra jal jaha amrita saman, chidananda jyoti shadda jaha murtiman. Wherever water that tastes like a nectarian taste. But now very few places you can get sweet water. The rest of the Vrindavan, all salty water. You cannot put the water on your body, right? Yeah? Very hard water, salty water. It's very difficult. You know, one day, devotee from Java, they say, Maharaj, please stay here. Java, Radharani's place. Enthusiastically, I went there. Then I saw water. Oh my God! If I put my body, it's just sticky my body. And I became sticky. And then I saw, if I stay here, my body will not permit here. On the first day, the opening ceremony day, I was thinking to stay, but a situation like this to stay here. Then I saw all of a sudden, Mohan Babu appear to take me to the Haridwar. Immediately I agreed to go with him. Okay, good, let's go. Because of that. So anyway, but here, সহজ লোকের কথা জানতে পারেন, সর্বত্র জল যাহা অমৃত সমান, all water like a nectar. চিদানন্দ জ্যোতি শব্দ যাহা মূর্তিমান, চিদানন্দ, transcendental bliss, jyoti. Jyoti means rays all over. Shabdo, you can taste of that. Jamurtiman, always you can see that transcendental ray. Make all the place bright. Lokhi jini gun jaha lokhi rasamaj, Krishna bangshi kare jaha priyo shokhi kaj. Lakshi jini, Lakshmi jini, Lakshmi gun jahar Lakshi Samaj. Who is close to Lakshmi, who is follower of Lakshmi, Lakshmi glorification only for them. I can give an example. If devotee, real devotee means who already get the taste of Vrindavan Dham. If you just offer him, Maharaj or Prabhu or Shuddha Bhakto, I have $20 billion I like to give you, but you will stay at Delhi, New Delhi. You will agree? For me, okay, better to go to Delhi, right? Most of the devotees, they will think about it. But who has little bit taste of Krishna service, real Krishna service, they are never ever running behind mundane opulence. They always rejecting all the Lakshmi's opulence. Therefore you can see Mahaprabhu testing Sridhar, who used to sell kola, banana, kola becha Sridhar. Mahaprabhu says, I took lot of things from you. I'm not paying you anything, but today I like to give you all the payoff I will do today. Please ask some boon. Whatever boon you will ask, I will give you. Before that, Kalavata Sridhar used to think that he is just ordinary Brahman son. But that day when he stepped on in Siva's house, he saw his Shyama Goparu sitting in the Siva's Pandit's Singhasan. Therefore he was crying. He was crying. At that time, Mahaprabhu says, and he was crying, why? Because he was thinking, oh, you are such a merciful, you are forcefully taking my service. I am not able to understand you. I used to think always you are Brahmins, son, and conclusion, I make my conclusion every day. Okay, let me do some Brahmin seva. Although I am poor, I don't have anything, but I have Brahmin seva doing. But now I just lamenting. Why? Why I am not able to recognize him at that time? In this way he was crying, but at the same time, simultaneously, Mahaprabhu asking, Sridhar, I like to give you a boon. Ask some boon. Still crying. Then Sridhar says, Prabhu, don't cheat me. Don't cheat me. It is cheating? Never. Testing. What do you want? From Lord, what do you want? Material opulence or Lord mercy? Lord's abode, our eternal identity. So, Sridhar, when told by Mahaprabhu that I like to give you such boon, if you keep some dust in your fist, the dust will turn in gold. Such boon I like to give you. What will you do? Will you accept it? But still, Sridhar, Kalavata Sridhar said, don't cheat me. When repeatedly Mahaprabhu asking him, he says, Prabhu, if you really want to give me boon, please give me under your lotus feet as your servant, life after life after life. What is best? To get some material opulence, then body finish, connections finish, with opulence connection finish. But if you get the love of God, it never goes. He always there. Therefore, Vaishnava, real Vaishnava, they are not glorifying Lakshmi Devi. Although Radharani is such form, he accumulated form of all Lakshmi. Because the condensed form of all Lakshmis is Radharani, best one. So therefore, real devotee, when they are getting a Radharani with them, they don't want any other. So, as soon as Siddhartha saw Shyama Goparu, then he doesn't want anything. Before he was expecting, okay, this is one penny, one banana. He was arguing with Mahaprabhu. Now, Mahaprabhu wants to give, but he rejects. This is the charisma of Lord. Lakshmi, therefore he said, Lakshmi jini gun jahar, Lakshmi Rashama, Lakshmi Rashaman. Lakshmi Samaj means who has desire to accommodate Lakshmi, means material wealth. They are glorifying Lakshmi. You can see in Bengal, I don't know, here. Even this, even the Rajasthan I saw, Diwali day, they are worshipping Lakshmi Ganesh, right? I saw that, Marwadi log, they are worshipping. Even in Mumbai I saw, Marathi log also, Ganesh and Lakshmi. Also Lakshmi Puja. Bengal also, different type of Lakshmi. There is a Uthan Lakshmi, Kujaguri Lakshmi. Uthan Lakshmi means they are putting all the paddy and the courtyard and they are worshipping Lakshmi Devi with this, all the paddy, then the Lakshmi. Dhan, yeah. And then Kujaguri Lakshmi, keeping Lakshmi in their home. The Lakshmi Hari means one pot, they never ever open whole year. Only Lakshmi Puja day they will open. So they are putting all the paddy and covering that, and then one swastik sign is there. And they are doing just all dusty. Like Gita, most of the Bengalis, they are keeping Gita in the home, they never open. All dusty. Such type of faith they have. Why? They want to accumulate lots of material, opulence, and get happiness temporarily. But Vaishnavas, they want happiness eternally. This is the difference. That happiness only exists in Vrindavan. Lakshmi jini gun jahar Lakshmi Rashamaj, Krishna Vangshi kare jaha priyo shokhi kash. Krishna Vangshi, Krishna's flute, attract all the priyo shokhi, dearest associate. Which dearest associate? Which completely free from all sense enjoyment object. No Vishaya Vashana. Vishaya Chadiya Kabe Shuddha Habe Mon. If they get some opportunity to get any opulence, they don't want. They only want Krishna. That is called Mon Shuddha. When our mind has been fixed towards Krishna, that is called Shuddha Mon. When our mind fixed with opulence, fixed with other direction, impure mind. How much away from Krishna our mind, that much impure mind we have. That much we have impure mind. And that much we are always thinking so much complexity. Therefore, we have to always think about how to get rid this material attachment. And Supreme Lord Chaitanya, in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, came and says, Harinam, 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 Kevalam, Kalau Nastev, Nastevo, Nastev Gatirannatha. Harinam, 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 Ali, Kevalam. Please try to understand the ultimate goal of our spiritual destiny, and proceed yourself accordingly and make yourself eternally blissful. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. I think tomorrow we can finish this chapter, then we will start Harinam Chintamani. Hare Krishna.